Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is here to save the day, giving your iPhone 6s over 6 full charges. That massive 20,000 mAh capacity means you can power multiple devices or keep one going for days on end without needing a wall outlet. But it's not just big, it's smart. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device for the fastest, safest charge possible. And with dual USB ports, you can charge your phone and a tablet simultaneously, perfect for travel or sharing with a friend. Forget cheap, unreliable power banks. Anker is a leader in portable charging, known for quality and durability that truly lasts. If you're constantly searching for best portable charger or need a reliable power bank for travel, this is it. Imagine never worrying about low battery again, whether you're camping, commuting, or just out and about. Ready to experience true charging freedom? You can find the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh right now on Amazon. This isn't just another battery pack. It's an essential piece of tech for anyone who relies on their devices. Seriously? For ultimate peace of mind and power on the go, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is absolutely worth buying in 2025.